Hey, in this video I will give you the blueprint on how I make $300 a day with Canva. No design skills needed. And it's all for free. You won't have to pay a cent. If you've got a laptop, Wi-Fi, and maybe a couple of hours a day, you can start making $100, $200, even $300 a day using Canva. Yes, that same free design app you've probably used to make a birthday card or Instagram story. But here's the crazy part. You don't need to be a graphic designer. You don't need fancy tools. And you don't need to be creative. Because Canva has done 90% of the work for you. Before we dive in, do me this one favor. If advertisements should interrupt this video, please do not click off of the advertisements. Please allow them to play through as a thank you to me for sharing with you this valuable information. Let's continue. So today, I'm going to show you how to build a $300 a day income stream using Canva from scratch. And yes, many people are using this same free blueprint as a side hustle, and you can do the same. First, why Canva? Because it's free, easy, and super beginner-friendly. No complicated software. No need to draw or illustrate anything. Just drag, drop, tweak, and go. And more importantly, there's massive demand for Canva-style designs right now. Every business, content creator, influencer, coach, you name it, needs graphics. They need templates. They need ebooks, social media posts, thumbnails, planners, you name it. And guess what? Most of them don't want to design them. They'd rather pay you to do it, even if you're just using Canva. Next, the different ways to make money with Canva. Now let me walk you through the 4 best ways to make real money using Canva. 1. Selling digital products. This is one of my personal favorites. You create a template once, like a planner, a resume, or a social media bundle, and you sell it over and over again on places like Etsy or Gumroad. No inventory, no shipping, just passive income. A single $17 product that sells 20 times a day. That's $340, boom. And once it's uploaded, it works for you 24/7. 2. Freelance services. Maybe you're not into selling products, no worries. You can offer design services on Fiverr, Upwork, or even DM local businesses. People will pay $20, $50, $100 plus for something as simple as a branded Instagram post or a YouTube thumbnail. Especially if you offer a Canva file they can edit later. 3. Canva affiliate marketing. Did you know Canva has an affiliate program? You can create tutorial videos, blog posts, or even TikTok content about Canva. And if someone signs up for Canva Pro through your link, you get paid up to $36 per person. This is especially powerful if you're already creating content or growing an audience. 4. Print on demand. Canva plus print on demand equals unlimited product ideas. You can design mugs, t-shirts, wall art, stickers, and sell them on platforms like Redbubble or Printful. You make the design in Canva, connect it to your store, and they handle the printing, shipping, and everything else. Next, how to get started today. Alright, so how do you actually start? Here's what you need. A free Canva account, or Canva Pro if you want extra templates, but not required. An account on Etsy, Gumroad, Fiverr, or wherever you want to sell. And something simple to offer, a template, a graphic pack, a service. Don't overthink it. Pick one product. Use a Canva template. Customize it a bit, colors, fonts, layout. Then upload it and publish your first listing. That's it. You don't need to be perfect. You just need to start. And believe me, your designs will get better with each one you create. Next, my $300 per day system explained. So how to make $300 a day. Sell Canva templates on Etsy. Specifically, Instagram templates for coaches and creators. Bundle 10 to 15 templates into a set, price it at around $27 to $47, and optimize it with good keywords and clean visuals. Then use Pinterest, yes, Pinterest, to drive traffic. Every day, you can get sales, even while you sleep. Some days sales are $150, some days $400. But on average, it adds up to over $300 a day, just from one digital product shop. Next, how to scale this into a full-time income. Once you're making your first few sales, here's how you grow. Outsource. Hire someone to help with creating more designs. Expand niches. Start selling templates for teachers, real estate agents, or wedding planners. Build a brand. Launch a website, grow an email list, or create a Canva design course. Stack income streams. Combine affiliate marketing, services, and products. This isn't just a hustle. You're building a digital asset. Next, final thought. Here's what I want you to remember. You don't need to be a designer. You don't need a big following. You just need to take action. Canva gives you the tools. The internet gives you the platform. And your creativity? That's the only limit. So if you've been waiting for the perfect business to start, this might be it. Start with one product. Sell it. Learn. Improve. Scale. And before you know it, you're making money doing something simple, fun, and 100% yours. You can do this. Please subscribe to my channel for more videos like this. If you have received value from this video, please smash the thumbs up button to give us a like. Want to add a comment? Please do so in the comment section below the video. Until next time, please be safe and may God bless your efforts.